In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private channel in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in, shall we? The first step is to open Slack. You can do this by launching the desktop application or by logging in through your web browser. Just make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to create this private channel. It's essential to start in the right place, so double-check that you're in the workspace for your team or project. Now that you're logged in and ready, look to the left sidebar of your Slack interface. Here, you'll see a section labeled Channels. To create a new channel, you'll want to find the plus icon, which is typically located right next to the channel's heading. Go ahead and click that plus button. It's pretty straightforward and should lead you to the next step in the process. Once you click the plus icon, you'll be prompted to name your new channel. This is where you can get a bit creative. Make sure to choose a descriptive name for your channel that reflects its purpose. Remember, it's a good practice to keep the names in lowercase and use hyphens instead of spaces if needed. For example, team updates or project discussions could both be great options. Once you're satisfied with your channel name, go ahead and click Next. Now here comes an important choice. You'll need to decide if you want this channel to be private. This means that only invited members will have access, and it won't show up in the sidebar for the rest of the workspace. To set this channel to private, simply select the Private Channel option. After you've made your selection, click the Create button. And just like that, your private channel is almost ready to go. The last step involves adding members. This part is quite flexible. You can invite specific team members to join your newly created channel right now if you wish. Just type their names in the invite box that appears. If you're not quite ready to add anyone just yet, you can simply click on Skip for Now. This option allows you to create the channel and add members later when you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully created a private channel in Slack. This is a great way to facilitate focused discussions without distractions from others in your workspace. Once you've added more members, feel free to start sharing ideas, files, or even just checking in with your teammates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Creating private channels can enhance your team's collaboration by providing a secure space for sensitive discussions. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you can catch more how-to guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Slack!